In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the layers panel in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, knowing how to manage your layers effectively can really help you streamline your design process and make your work a lot more efficient. Let's dive in and take a look at how you can view your layers in Canva with just a few simple steps. To get started, open up your design in Canva. Once you've got your design open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the elements on your canvas. Understanding the layout of your design is key to effectively navigating and organizing your layers. Now when you're ready, find an element within your design, any element at all. This could be a text box, an image, or a shape. With your chosen element in view, go ahead and right click on it. Right clicking on an element might not be something you've done often in Canva, but it's a handy trick that opens up a whole new set of options. When you right click, a context menu appears. This menu contains several options related to your selected element, and it's an efficient way to access some deeper functions without cluttering your workspace. Hover your mouse over the option that says Layer. As you keep your mouse on this option, you'll notice that this triggers another submenu to appear. This submenu is where you'll find more specific settings related to layers in Canva. It's important to hover and not click yet because the hover action helps to load the additional options connected to your layers. This is where Canva keeps the tool you'll need for this task. Amongst the options in the submenu, you'll see one that says Show Layers. Now's the moment to go ahead and click on Show Layers. By clicking it, the Layers panel will appear. The Layers panel is an essential tool because it gives you a clear, organized view of all the elements within your design and their hierarchy. This panel allows you to quickly select, move, and manage different elements, giving you greater control over your creative process. Once you're viewing the Layers panel, you can click and drag items to reorder them or group and ungroup elements to better manage your design. Knowing how and when to take advantage of the Layers panel can significantly enhance your design workflow in Canva, making your creative process smoother and more intuitive. And there you have it, you've now successfully opened your Layers panel in Canva. Keep practicing these steps, and before you know it, you'll be managing your Canva layers like a pro, making your design experience not only more effective, but also a little bit more fun. Don't hesitate to explore other options and features within Canva. Understanding your tools and utilizing them to their full potential is what truly takes your design skills to the next level. So go ahead, experiment, and enjoy the process.